Well, hi there. Lots of people ask me, how do you play when it's a bit windy? Well, today we've got a fair bit of breeze on us, and it's coming out of the behind us, but it's coming from the left-hand side. So if this ball was to be hit with just pure backspin, the wind is going to have a tendency to drive it off to the right. And when it lands on this green, when I'm playing into the green, the ball will have a tendency to run on too much. So if I really want to control this ball and I have the ability to hit the shot, the ideal shot here is to play a draw shot into the breeze. Now that draw shot, when it hits the green, it'll be fighting the wind, so it'll be having less forward energy and it'll stop quicker. Plus, when you fight the breeze, you got much more chance of hitting the ball to your target. If you get the ball on the wind, the spin on it is magnified and it'll take it offline quicker. So this shot here with the wind coming left to right, the ideal shot is a draw shot. So that's what I'm going to play. And to do that, all I do, very simply, is I close the club face in my hand, just a little bit like that, and then I make my normal swing from my standard ball position just in front, just between middle and front foot. So here we go. Get the shot, visualize the shot in my mind. Relaxed body, calm mind. And then just go through my routine. The only adjustment I've made is I've closed the club face in relation to my hands, just a slight bit. And there we go. Just how I like to hit that one. Just gone a little bit past the pin, but it really held its line, and when it hit the green it stopped a lot quicker than it would have been if I'd have sliced it off on the wind. So remember, if the wind's coming from left to right and you're playing a shot into a green, it's always, the best shot is to fight the wind, as opposed to a long drive if you want to have a wide fairway. But when you have to hit a target area, don't let the ball sail on the wind. Try to work the ball against the wind. And for this particular shot, drawing it, all I did was just take my normal grip, but just close the club face slightly in my hands, played the ball from the normal position, and just made my normal swing, and the slightly closed club face put the spin on the ball and held it against the breeze.